Hello, my name is Pam and I'm with Just My Opinion here on Amazon.com, and today I'm doing a review of this Shark battery-powered stick vacuum. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the various parts and what have you, and then I'm going to show you it in action. So first of all, we have the owner's guide here and the quick start guide. And I appreciate these two things because I really hate having to run to my computer to find out one stupid detail that I can't remember how it works or whatever. So that's been useful for me. We have the crevice tool, which you get with most vacuums, the upholstery tool, and then we have this clever little gadget right here. And this is for doing things like, for right now it's set for going on top of things like your furniture or your ceiling fan blades, and then you can turn it and you can go underneath things like a refrigerator. So I really like this, and it's been a useful little gadget for me. And next we have the main body. So to empty it, you just pop that little bit right there and it pops open. You can see I've been putting it to good use. To charge the battery, you can either charge it on the machine itself, or you can take it off and charge it somewhere else. I have all my charging things in one area, so I will be removing it, so I appreciate that. Now we have the actual motor itself. That's for hardwood floors, that's for carpet. So you can see how lovely and quiet it is. And if I go up to carpet, nothing will happen because it's not attached to the rotary head. But we have this other little thing here, which is for giving it extra, you get a little extra power there for your suction. I've not needed that so far with my wood floors, but I'm sure it could come in handy sometimes. And then I'm going to show you this over here before we put it to work. So to undo everything, you just push the little button there, lift, comes off easy peasy, comes disassembled. This is the rotor head. So right here you can see I have long hair, I have a labradoodle, there's not a piece of hair stuck on this. That's amazing. We have the light, which is useful for me because I often do these things, do my cleaning when I've put my father to bed. I caretake my father, and trying to get things done during the day sometimes doesn't happen. And it's nice that I don't have to wake him up and I can get the house clean. So you can see there, snaps on, easy peasy. I'll put the, there we go. So, do the hardwood floor first. It gobbles up all the cornmeal that I put on the floor. If I go onto the carpet, I have to hold it down. There we go. Put up the carpet. Gobbles it all up. And then if I do turbo, and there we have it. So that's how that part works. And the only thing I have a problem with on this thing, I'm going to have to put this down flat to undo it because I'm trying to handle the camera at the same time, is the crevice tool goes onto the main body. So excuse my clumsiness with this part, but so the crevice tool goes straight onto this main body. And the thing I don't like about this is that, like, my father has a lift chair and I really can't get under it completely with it. So you can see if I want to really get under something, there we go, I can only get that far. So that is the only negative I have about this thing at this point. So there you have it, the Shark upright vacuum. And There we go. Put that down on the floor. I'm really happy with this, and I think it will be really useful for a lot of people. If you have an apartment, things like that, you don't have a lot of space. If you only have wood floors like me, except for the occasional little tiny carpet. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I hope this has helped you with your purchase decisions. My name is Pam. I'm with Just My Opinion. And have a nice day.
This one has the best suction in the world. Okay? For a little stick vacuum. And it's a plug-in, it's not a chargeable. I don't like chargeables, I don't stay on them. But this thing has got suction like no other. You know how those tiny little granules of sand stay on the floor and you can't vacuum them? Well, not like this. It picks it up. I have 2 blades in this house. You wouldn't be able to tell it because the blade is not good. This thing sucks everything up. Fine dust, hair, particles of anything. It picks it up. I can find something small and show you in the camera. Seems like my floors are pretty clean. Oh, here's some dirt. It picks up bird hairs, cat hair, husband hair. This thing is gone. That's the dirt cup. And it's easy to take apart. It comes with accessories. The cord is very long, so you can go from room to room. It's fantastic. It comes with a posting brush. It comes with a harvest tool. The cup comes out easily. The pressing it in the front. Ladies, if you need a vacuum for quick pickups and just a vacuum in the house because your home is small like mine and compressed, this is the one.
So I'm doing a review on the Shark Power Detect corded stick vacuum. It's the Duo Clean and self-cleaning brush roll and odor neutralizer. I love this. I love vacuums and a vacuum nerd. And one of the features of my old vacuum was that this part, like the roller part, didn't come off, so I couldn't clean it. But it's really cool because this piece can come off now. And then it has a neutral odorizer. I have mini golden retrievers, so we get lots of vacuuming done. This is my other new feature that I absolutely love. Shark hit it on the nail when they put the wheels right here as a base, because I got tired of leaning up my vacuum against the wall and it would fall down. So this right here is a game changer. I feel like I have a Maserati of a vacuum cleaner right now. Then you could put your tools right there. It's really super easy to get out, anti-allergen. But here is the cool part for being a vacuum nerd that I love. And I ran cleaning companies for years and years and years. And I've fallen in love with Shark and I use it in my home all the time. But here's the part that I love. So I have it detect, it says on the rug. So you vacuum your rugs, your carpet, and then change your screws, you go off, and you transfer to the floor, and it auto detects and puts it in floor mode. And vacuum the floor, go back on the rug, or your carpet, and puts it in carpet mode. How cool is that? And that little container holds a lot. So definitely, this is probably my new favorite upgrade of the vacuum and how it stands.
So this is my old vacuum, battery-powered Duo Clean. You see, this is the kind of roller that the hair gets stuck into. Super annoying. Now this is this vacuum. It has this rubber roll, which is really good for pulling hair. I have some rubber push vacuums that work really well for pulling hair out. So this is an amazing way to pull hair out of a carpet. And this small little bristles on this thing are also not going to be able to hold much hair. So this will be really awesome, actually. I'm actually pretty impressed. So this will be not just more powerful than my old vacuum that I use in my office, but it'll be easier to maintain.